Iceman50 here. So it's September 7th, and tomorrow's my birthday, Joy. In 3 days, I gotta have a surgery. So, yeah, I gotta go get a C19 test today. Obviously, I don't have it, but I gotta get that out of the way. I guess you gotta do that before they'll let you into the surgery center. So I'm gonna have to do that. And to give you guys an update on the exhaust, I did work on it this weekend. I wrapped the pipe on the new exhaust, and I was gonna finish it yesterday, but there's just a lot of things going on. That my next door neighbor's boyfriend was around, and he wanted me to just do the exhaust. He wanted to help me, and I was like, no, I want to videotape this. And it's always a struggle in it because he doesn't like to be on film, and so I was like, you know what, I'm not going to do that to you guys. I'm like, I want to show, finish what I started and get it done, right? So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna try and do it maybe today. The second part of this shouldn't take too long. Just me taking the exhaust off and putting the new one on, and then kind of curing the silicone sealant, right? So that's what I want to do. I opted to not just get it done because somebody wants me to do it or help me or whatever. I don't know. Everybody knows that this is what I do anyways, right? Everyone knows that I videotape everything. So, but yeah, I don't like starting stuff and then, one of my other videos, I was working on something on the bike, and he again came up. He knew that I was filming or whatever, and just I had to stop filming, and and then I get back to it, and it was like done or whatever, and I'm like, oh crap. So yeah, I don't really appreciate that, but it is what it is. So we'll get it done here. I gotta get it done before the 10th, so in the next couple of days it's got to get done. Most of that video is already shot except for what I got to do to it. So, but yeah, but I just wanted to let everybody know what was going on with that, and expect to see that video in the next couple of days, right? So, yeah, it's not bad outside. It's only about 66 degrees. It's actually warmer than it was the other day, right? It was definitely colder before. It was like 55 or something. I'm feeling pretty warm today. So, but yeah, I hope everybody had a good Labor Day. It was pretty good. I enjoyed myself. It was pretty relaxed. We just sat around the house, and I am going to include some footage in this latest video. My next door neighbor Dawn, I was just talking about, she bought a puppy, and he's a German Shepherd Rottweiler mix. He's a Shepweiler. He's only 2 months old. He's super cute, and so I spent the weekend playing around with him, and of course now my whole family wants a dog, which we can't do that. Even if I wanted to, in my building I would need a special exemption or whatever to have a dog. And it's just, I got too much crap, guys. I can't be having a dog chew on everything and peeing all over my house. I can't have that right now. Let's save that stuff for when I got a house. So, but yeah, so the dog's pretty cool, and you know, just he's a pretty good dog. I've seen some other dogs that were just kind of crazy when they were little. You know, they're puppies, but he's pretty chill for a puppy. Come on, man. Jeez. So, yeah. I've been working on my trim washers like up front. I've been working on the side panel washers. You know, I've been getting a lot of people asking about mixing and matching colors, which I'm okay with. You know, if you want, you know, if you guys want, you know, 2 of a color, 3 of a color, 4 of a color, I mean, it doesn't matter to me. If you know, you want all the colors, whatever, you know. So if you guys are interested, hit me up. You know, let me know. You guys can always DM me on Insta and stuff like that. So, but and I wanted to thank everybody again for the 500 subscribers. And right now, after I dropped a couple of those videos, you know, my celebration video or whatever, and I'm now up to 512 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for that. That's really cool. Appreciate that. So, but yeah, it's excuse me. Oh, it's still early. This one is at 6:07. So, but yeah, whoa, yeah. It's gonna be a pretty boring day at work. As I said, you know, I gotta be over in Aurora at 8 o'clock, get this test, and then I can come back. And yeah, it's all moving along quickly now. You know, I was like, it's funny until it's right up on you. You're like, oh, it's gonna happen. Yeah, sure. But you know, just a few days it's gonna be here. You know, so that's all right. Whoa. Good thing they had the arrow. Come on, what are you doing? Let's go. You fucking with me or what? Jesus. I don't know what some people's fucking problem is. You can do anything to anybody. Oh, man. Oh. I hope it doesn't turn into winter. I don't want to stop riding this thing. Unfortunately, you know it's coming. Hang on a second, everybody.
Morning.
Morning.
Okay, you're all set.
All right, we'll see you later. Yeah. So, yeah, we're almost to work, obviously, but yeah. See, now we don't. You know, it's later in the year here. We don't get to see those awesome sunrises at this time of morning. You know, sunrise happens later, right? So, what are you gonna do? You know, nothing. But yeah. So, sorry, I'm so yawny this morning. I slept in a little bit. Yeah. Let's just enjoy this here. Let's remember we got the kill box coming up. It's coming here. Top speed run. I'm tucking. We're way tucked. God, I gotta stop doing that. All right, everybody, we're almost here. All right, well, we're at work, so you know what that means. We'll see you on the next one. All right, easy. Now, what is up with people? And is this guy gonna go too? Come on, man. Seriously. Wait a second. Jesus. I don't know what it is, man. No one wants to. It's funny. People are in a hurry. They don't want to wait for the bike. Hey, everybody. Iceman 5-0 here. Oh, man. That test is no joke. Oh, my eyes are watering. Oh man, when they say brain tickler, they ain't kidding. It's oh, it just is so, my nose is so sensitive, it just, and it's just tickling and tickling. Oh man, and then they're doing it for like 5 seconds a nostril. Oh man. Anyways, what the fuck?